Look at the way it is raining. It's raining like cat and dogs. It's a very fast rain indeed. Came suddenly, like the monsoon rains does, and it started raining heavily. You can see that this is the water from the rooftop, and do you know what is a cloud bursting? Let me tell you today what is about the cloud bursting. It's not something literal. Literally, the cloud has bursted. It is something else actually, and it actually means that if at all it rains 100 per hour or 4 inches in an hour, so that actually means that it has a cloud burst. So the rain at the moment too, it is bursting. It is not any way different than the cloud burst, and rains this year has incurred huge losses to private property, to the public property. Public property means bursting of the dams and washed away roads and bridges. Private property, the house collapsing, and certain other losses to the private property. It is raining a lot really. It is raining very fastly.